Andres de la Rosa Narvasa, November 30th, 1928. October 31st, 2013. Was the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines from December 1st, 1991 to November 30th, 1998. He served as chairman of the Preparatory Commission for Constitutional Reform, a special agency tasked to look into potentially positive amendments to the Philippine Constitution from 1999 to 2000. During his youth, Narvasa managed to excel in both academics and athletics. He was the captain of the University of Santo Tomas intramural basketball team, as well as the top student in his class at the University of Santo Tomas Faculty of Civil Law. Narvasa graduated elementary at Colegio de San Juan de Letron, 1938, salutatorian, and secondary school at the Aureliano High School, 1945, valedictorian. He obtained his Bachelor of Laws, University of Santo Tomas in 1951, magna cum laude, and received his Doctor of Laws honoris causa, Pamantasan NG Lungsad NG Manila on April 15, 1992. Doctor of Laws honoris causa, University of Santo Tomas on November 21, 1992, and Doctor of Laws honoris causa, Angeles University Foundation on April 1, 1993. Narvasa graduated magna cum laude from the University of Santo Tomas Faculty of Civil Law and placed second in the 1951 Philippine bar examinations with a bar rating of 91.6%. Narvasa taught at the University of Santo Tomas Faculty of Civil Law. Soon, he became a full professor of law and eventually dean of the University of Santo Tomas Faculty of Civil Law. Faculty of Civil Law. Narvasa started as a law practitioner in 1952 as head Andres R. Narvasa and Associates. He then became professor of law 1952, bar reviewer 1959, legal counsel University of Santo Tomas 1973, dean, Faculty of Civil Law, University of Santo Tomas, 1967 to 1973, Vice Rector for Student Affairs, University of Santo Tomas, 1969 to 1972, Member of the Board of Trustees, University of Santo Tomas, 1974, and President of the Faculty Club, University of Santo Tomas, 1969. Narvasa was appointed as the General Counsel for the Agrava Fact-Finding Commission, formed by then-President Ferdinand Marcos and tasked to investigate the death of former Senator and staunch Marcos critic Benigno Aquino Jr. The commission was chaired by former Philippine Court of Appeals Associate Justice Corazon Juliano Agrava. As general counsel, Narvasa meticulously pieced together evidence to point out the military in the Aquino Galman murders. President Corazon Aquino appointed Narvasa as Associate Justice of the Philippine Supreme Court on April 10, 1986. Narvasa served as Associate Justice until his appointment as Chief Justice on December 1, 1991, also by Aquino. Narvasa administered the oath of office during the inaugurations of Philippine presidents Fidel V. Ramos and Joseph Estrada. After his retirement in 1998, he was appointed by President Estrada to serve as chair of the Preparatory Commission for Constitutional Reform, an independent commission formed to study the Basic Charter and suggest potentially positive modifications. He served in this capacity from 1999 to 2000. In November 2000, Narvasa became counsel for Estrada in his impeachment proceedings before the Philippine Senate. Private life. Married to Yani Na Yuseco, Narvasa has 6 children: Andres, Jr., Raymundo, Gregorio II, Socorro, Martin, and Regina. Narvasa's son, Andres, Jr., was commissioner of the Philippine Basketball Association. Another son, Gregorio II, served as commissioner for both Philippine Basketball League and the Metropolitan Basketball Association, but now concentrates on practicing law. Narvasa and son, Gregorio, run the Fortune Narvasa and Salazar Law Office in partnership with Siegfried A. Fortune and Roderick R.C. Salazar III. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.